Oh my god, guys. Today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to get free Xbox codes. I've managed to find a working method for 2024 on how to get free Xbox codes. These gift card codes are gonna save you a bunch of money. It's gonna credit your Xbox account a balance, and you can spend it however you want in the Xbox store. Pretty easy, guys. Super excited. This works, so I'm gonna be heading to my desk. I'm out of breath, guys. I'm joking, but anyway, I'm gonna be going to my desk and showing you how you can get your free Xbox codes, so make sure you follow along, and yeah, let's do this.
Yo, what is going on, guys? So here is the tutorial part of the video. I'm gonna be showing you how to get your free Xbox codes. Super easy, takes about 5 minutes. And you need to use your mobile phone. That's all you need, guys, is a mobile and of course an internet connection. You can see I'm on the internet right now. So you've got to go to this website, www.wavycoupons.com. So wavycoupons.com, guys. Make sure you spell it correctly, because you need to go to this website where it says get wavy and save. Basically, guys, you need to find the Xbox gift card code page. You can scroll down, look for it. You can go to the popular coupons, because this is a popular coupon, or you can go to the search bar and type in Xbox gift, and you need to find the Xbox gift card codes and coupons page, guys. So just navigate your way to this page on Wavy Coupons. Now, as I mentioned, you can get a $100 free Xbox gift card code, guys. This is the code that I'm focusing on in this tutorial. You're going to want to go ahead and do this, so follow these instructions. You got to click on Show Coupon. Now, you can see you need to unlock your free Xbox code. Obviously, these codes are worth $100, which is super cool, but you do need to unlock your personal code. This obviously stops people from stealing the available codes. So how do you do that? You need to unlock a code, and when this reaches 100%, you see it takes about 5 seconds. You're gonna see a new screen, guys. I'm not gonna do it, I've got enough Xbox credit, but basically, guys, you're gonna see a new screen and it's gonna tell you how to unlock your code. You need to verify yourself as a real person, and once you've done that, it takes about 5 minutes. You're gonna unlock this code and you can go ahead and redeem it on your Xbox or on the Microsoft website. So that is how you do it, guys. Go ahead to Wavy Coupons, follow through the instructions. You gotta search for the Xbox gift card codes page and choose your code, unlock your code, and enjoy your free Xbox code. That is how many times I've said code in the last 30 seconds. Is unbelievable, but yeah, enjoy, guys. See you next time.